ಗೀತಂ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯವು 15ನೇ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಘಟಿಕೋತ್ಸವ ಸಮಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ 1218 ಪದವೀಧರರನ್ನು ಗೌರವಿಸಿತು. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು, ಜುಲೈ 13, 2024. ಗೀತಂ ಡೀಮ್ಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ತನ್ನ 15ನೇ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಘಟಿಕೋತ್ಸವ ಸಮಾರಂಭದೊಂದಿಗೆ ತನ್ನ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಕ್ಯಾಲೆಂಡರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮೈಲಿಗಲ್ಲನ್ನು ದಾಖಲಿಸಿದೆ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವು ಗೀತಂನಿಂದ ಪದವಿ ಪಡೆದ 1218 ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಸಾಧನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸಿತು. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ವಂದೇ ಭಾರತ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್‌ಪ್ರೆಸ್‌ನ ರೂವಾರಿ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಶ್ರೀ ಸುಧಾಂಶು ಮಣಿ, ಗೀತಂ ಡೀಮ್ಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಶ್ರೀ ಎಂ ಶ್ರೀಭರತ್ ಮತ್ತು ಗೀತಂ ಡೀಮ್ಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಉಪಕುಲಪತಿ ಪ್ರೊ. ದಯಾನಂದ ಸಿದ್ದವಟ್ಟಂ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು. ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನ, ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಮತ್ತು ನಿರ್ವಹಣೆ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ವಿವಿಧ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳಿಂದ ಅವರ ಅಸಾಧಾರಣ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಸಾಧನೆಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಕೊಡುಗೆಗಳನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸಿ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಚಿನ್ನದ ಪದಕಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡಲಾಯಿತು. ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಹೆಸರಾಂತ ನೃತ್ಯಗಾರ್ತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಪದ್ಮಶ್ರೀ ಪುರಸ್ಕೃತರಾದ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಲೀಲಾ ಸ್ಯಾಮ್ಸನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಜಲ ಸಂರಕ್ಷಣೆಗೆ ಹೆಸರುವಾಸಿಯಾಗಿರುವ ತಜ್ಞ, ಭಾರತದ ಲೆಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಹೇ ಎಂದೇ ಪರಿಚಿತರಾಗಿರುವ ಶ್ರೀ ಆನಂದ್ ಮಲ್ಲಿಗವಾಡ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಗೌರವ ಡಾಕ್ಟರೇಟ್ ಪದವಿಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರದಾನ ಮಾಡಲಾಯಿತು. ಈ ಸಮಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಗೀತಂ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಶ್ರೀ ಎಂ. ಶ್ರೀಭರತ್ ಅವರು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಕೇಂದ್ರಿತ ವಿಧಾನದ ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ಒತ್ತಿ ಹೇಳಿದರಲ್ಲದೆ, ಗೀತಂನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಅನುಭವವನ್ನು ಒದಗಿಸಲು ಬದ್ಧರಾಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ತಮ್ಮ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಕಲಿಕಾ ಜೀವನಕ್ಕೆ ಸೂಕ್ತವಾದ ವಾತಾವರಣವನ್ನು ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಸುವುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಉದ್ದೇಶವಾಗಿದೆ. ಸಂಶೋಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಯನ್ನು ತರಲು ಸಿದ್ಧವಾಗಿರುವ ಸಹಾನುಭೂತಿಯುಳ್ಳ, ನುರಿತ ವೃತ್ತಿಪರರಾಗಿ ಹೊರಹೊಮ್ಮಲು ನಾನು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಯೂ ಲಭ್ಯವಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವಕಾಶಗಳನ್ನು ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ಬಳಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಯಥಾಸ್ಥಿತಿಗೆ ಸವಾಲು ಹಾಕಿ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸಕಾರಾತ್ಮಕ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಯನ್ನು ಉಂಟುಮಾಡುವ ನಾವೀನ್ಯಕಾರರು ಮತ್ತು ನಾಯಕರಾಗಲು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಿಸಬೇಕೆಂದು ಕರೆ ನೀಡಿದರು. ಎಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಶ್ರೀ ಸುಧಾಂಶು ಮಣಿ ಅವರು ಮಾತನಾಡಿ ಸಾಂಪ್ರದಾಯಿಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಮೀರಿ ಕಲಿಯಬೇಕಾದ ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ಒತ್ತಿ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯದಿಂದ ಆಧುನಿಕ ಕೌಶಲ್ಯಗಳು ಅತ್ಯುನ್ನತವಾಗಿರುವ ಯುಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಭವಿಷ್ಯವು ಈ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರವೀಣತೆ ಹೊಂದಿರುವ ಉದ್ಯೋಗಿಗಳನ್ನು ಬಯಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ಇವರ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯವನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಲು ಆದ್ಯತೆ ನೀಡಬೇಕು. ಹೆಚ್ಚುತ್ತಿರುವ ಅಂತರ್ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿತ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಲು ಕೇವಲ ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳ
Gandhi Institute of Technology and Management, more popularly known as Geetham, was established initially as an engineering college at Visakhapatnam in the early 1980s by great visionary late Dr. MBBS Murthy. Soon, Geetham has grown into multi-campus institute by starting off-campus centers in Hyderabad and Bengaluru. Over the years, Geetham has added additional institutes for schools to the engineering institution and has now grown into multidisciplinary university. At present, Geetham has 12 schools of study and a campus school called Swechha School, established based on Waldorf education philosophy. Over the years, these schools have established excellent teaching and research standards and earned a global reputation. In recognition of its committed service and academic excellence, the University Grants Commission (UGC) recognized Geetham as a Category 1 deemed to be university and granted graded autonomy in the year 2018. And NAC accredited Geetham by awarding a grade A++, the highest grade given to an academic institution of higher learning. Geetham attracts students from about 20 different states and 30 other countries. In the year 23-24, a total of 7,566 students were admitted in UG, PG and PhD programs.
We have a lot of problems, so we tend to, we draw a large circle of concerns. This doesn't work, that doesn't work, he doesn't do it, she doesn't do it. We are so consumed by this that in this large circle we forget that small dot. That dot is your dot of influence. That is the one you have to concentrate on, not that large circle of concern. Even Modi ji doesn't have a dot big enough to be as large as that circle of concern. As a Chinese saying goes, light your own candle to remove some darkness around you. Don't think about the darkness all over the world. शिकवाए जुल्मत शब से कहीं बेहतर था कि अपने हिस्से की एक क्षमा जलाते जाते. Light your own light. Don't expect the world to light the whole world. One cliche, you are you would be told by so many people that it's good to be honest. I don't mean it to be a hackneyed cliche, but something that I have lived through. When we attempted to do something with my team towards the fag end of my career, we thought we were doing something for the country. It was appreciated by everyone, but we were victimized later for 3 years after retirement. We went through that, but what kept our spirits high was the simple reason that my uncle has said, there is no legacy as rich as honesty. If you have been honest in your work, you will never be fearful. Whereas if you are not honest, my uncle has also said, while he has said that virtue is bold and goodness never fearful, also remember that suspicion always haunts the guilty mind. So it's not a matter of cliche. Make honesty and integrity your hallmark. One last thing, a couple last things. Another hackneyed cliche, lip service, is in respect of treating women with complete respect. In your workplace, wherever you work, remember, it's not a question of lip service. No organization which does not treat lady employees or women in general as complete equals is not going anywhere. Because unlike Denmark or 400 years back, frailty, thy name is not woman. Nari, tum keval shraddha nahi ho. Today, men and women are complete equals. Always remember that. In Hamlet, Ophelia, in her madness, at some point says that we know what we are, know not what we may be. Always remember. Always try to know what you may be, not what you are. That has immense possibilities, my young friends. And I speak from experience. In Troilus and Cressida, I think Cressida says that things one are done, joy's soul lies in the doing. So always remember, whatever you do it with joy and happiness. Because you may succeed and look back at that, but the joy that you will have, you will feel while doing that work is matchless. Always remember that.
So, as you know, we are a deemed to be university with extraordinary flexibility to create new education content. Number one, in the last 2 years we have implemented what is called liberal education model. What liberal education provides us is bringing in these new concepts of incubation. We call it as venture development center, right? We have created in just 2 months from now, we are inaugurating a world-class venture development center in this campus. I think you should come and be part of that inauguration facility. You see what we are creating. In that particular venture development center is being kept open for schools across the entire university, be it humanities and social sciences, be it sciences, be it business school, or be it school of technology. All of them can utilize this venture development center. So we train students to how to become a pre-incubation, at the pre-incubation stage. So how do you conceive an idea? How do you develop a business model for you? They will be coached and mentored by people who have already been entrepreneurs themselves. So this center is to provide an ecosystem for upgrading incubation mindset in students. And there is a 2-credit mandatory course which is being given for every student in the university.
For every branch?
For every branch.
Okay.
Whether they want to become entrepreneur or not, but we want to seed that thought in their mind.
I think that's a very important.
There are so many breaking news by the government, but they don't break.
Okay, what? You must have suggested something.
I don't keep in touch with government anymore. I am in touch with industry. We have been hearing, we started the work, we have been hearing of the sleeper version for 5 years. This train got built in 18 months, designed, but the sleeper version is still not come. I've heard from BML, Bangalore. August they say, but I don't think it will be August. September it should come out, maybe in commercial service by beginning of the next year.